Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just another update video here for you guys. If anybody has one of these 2010 series Caravans, I think they run through a bunch of years the same way. But if you're ever driving down the road at night and you ever notice that your liftgate light, because all these light up green, if you ever notice that your liftgate light's like flickering, I'm going to show you why it's flickering right now. Mine kept flickering for a long time, and then the liftgate just finally quit working. Well, you know what happens is they put that thing, and that module sits right in there. Alright, see, it sits right in there, like that. Well, the plugs sit right on this metal here. See that metal right there? You can even see the corrosion and stuff where it was shorting out right there, where that's kind of greenish. Let me get some light on that. Oh. See where it's green right there? That's where the wire was shorting out on that plug. Now let's look inside the end of the plug. The wire fell right out of it when I took it out. But yeah, that's no bueno, man. That's no good. So we're gonna have to, since I ain't got another plug, there ain't no junkyards around here, probably not for 100, 200 miles. We're gonna solder on some of these bad lads and put some heat shrink around them and slide them in there. I'll get right back with you as soon as I get that done. Be right back.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I'm back. And I got these all soldered on. I put a little thing over this so they don't short out on each other. Clean that out a little bit in there as best I could. I'm gonna grab some dielectric and throw it inside of these and plug them in there. Let's see what happens. Hold on, let me grab it real quick. Alright, I'm back. Get some of this grease. I want to put some in the mother plugs too. Smear some into them. This is not a very good area of the car to have electronics right in a wheel well, where apparently moisture gets in here a little bit. Pack that in there. Just press it into them. Just pack it inside of it. Get this one over here. Oh, I need a little more goop. There we go. Yeah, so if you ever notice that console light's flickering, it's because this wire on this thing is shorting out against the body. So my fix for this is not going to be to put that back in there. I'm just going to leave it laying in here so it don't get all messed up. There's plenty of room for everything in there with it laying in here. Be a better place than where it was. Alright, let me get these plugged back in and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm just going to lay it right in there like that. It's pretty nice. You can actually pop this little module open and it's all user serviceable stuff in there. Well, for the most part. I mean, there's a few things you can change in there if they go bad. So, I mean, it's not too bad. At least they don't seal it up to where you can't mess with it. But hopefully that thing's working still. So let's go see if this is going to work. Because I didn't have anything for any liftgate back here at all. Nothing. Nada. Alright. I can hear something back there. Alright, where's the key? Let's see if the button will pop it. Alright. Oh, the button ain't popping it. Let's see what's going on. It might not be timed. See if it'll at least open. Ah, it opens now. That's all that matters. Yeah, see, that thing broke. The chain on this thing broke. So I gotta get a little chain off of One of them little pocket mini bikes is use the same chain for that, so get some chain for that and fix that. At least now it opens and shuts. Perfect. Alright, so well, if you ever noticed that you had that problem, it's because this dang thing sits in here like, let me get it back in there. Sits in there like that, and the wire just rides right on that metal and just puts a hole in it. So we're not doing that no more. We're gonna lay it down in there. See if we can get all this other stuff back in there. There should be plenty of room. Oh, there's the jack. Alright, maybe there isn't. No, there's plenty of room in there. Plenty of room. Get the emergency toolkit in there. What else goes in there? I think that's about it. There we go. Oh, never mind the wife's music. But all right, there we go. So that works for that. All right. I wonder why that button don't work. All right, let's see here. Let's see this. If you ever have to pop one of these hatches, there's a little spot right down in there. You can stick a screwdriver. Not to see that little lever's right there, that sticking out there. That doesn't do nothing. You gotta stick it down in between there, between that and that metal there, and there's another one down farther down there. You hit that one with your screwdriver, a long screwdriver, and you can pop it open. Took me a while to figure that one out. There we go, there's that. Alright, let me finish putting this all back together and we'll wrap this up. There you have it, folks. Everything's put back together. A little dirty in here. I gotta clean it up. This is from winter, hauling wood pellets and stuff for heat. Now we can get the grandkids in here a little easier. You know, now we can actually haul stuff. That sucks having a van and not being able to open the back of it. You know what they say, happy wife, happy life. Anyways, everybody, make sure you hit that like button if you like the video, and make sure to subscribe and share this out to your friends so we can get more subscribers over here. And in the meantime, another thing I forgot to mention, folks, is when that liftgate thing fried out, you know, shorted out against ground there and eventually lost total connection there. Well, what happened was my battery started draining too. So I started noticing that. So if you have a battery drain and you have rear liftgate problems, you might want to check that wire back there. That could be your problem, because that fixed the drain. That's gonna fix the drain issue, I know, because it never happened until that happened. I think what I'm thinking happened is with that wire not, you know, with the computer not being able to see that module, it was one of the modules was staying awake. It would just drain the battery and it just never goes to sleep. But now everything, she seems fine. I got it running now, charge it back up. But should be good now. Have a good day, everybody, and God bless.